Hey coders! Welcome back today. I'm going to show you how to scrape data from websites using Python. You'll learn how to fetch and parse web content with one of the most popular libraries for web scraping. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have everything set up. You need to install two Python libraries, beautifulsoup for parsing HTML and requests to fetch web content. Let's go ahead and install these. Open your terminal and type the following command: pip install beautifulsoup for requests. Hit enter and you're all set. Now let's jump into the code. First, let's import the necessary libraries in our Python script. Here, we've imported the requests library to fetch web pages and beautifulsoup to parse the content. Copy the web page URL for scraping the data. Fetch the content of the web page by using requests.get. Get the content from the response. Print the raw HTML content. This will show the entire HTML of the web page. Printing the page content will give all the HTML content. Parse the HTML content using beautifulsoup. Soup.prettify method in beautifulsoup is used to display the parsed HTML content in a more readable and well-formatted way. Let's find all the h2 tags in our HTML content. Soup.findAll finds all h2 tags on the page and returns them as a list. Loop through the headings and print the text inside each h2 tag. This is the text inside the h2 tag.